that person that is asking for, what is it called, asking for Pixel, how to move around Pixel. When you enter Pixel inside your phone, it's the same thing you are seeing here that you will see. It's same thing, you will see pictures like this, same thing you said that you see. They will ask you to log in. Me, I've already logged in. Look, this is my account. That's why you see my face there. I've already logged in. Okay, then you will just come here to this search button. Whenever you see this thing here like this, it means search on any website at all. This icon means search. So you come to this place and then you type in what you want, or maybe you want videos. You click here, it will show you videos or photos. So let's say I want photos of a school girl. Now the reason why all these things shows, because I'm searching for other things. Like this was the work I did last night. Boyfriend and happy girlfriend, boyfriend and girlfriend accepting money, because I was making a video on my YouTube channel regarding to this kind of thing. You understand? So this is like my last search. So let's search for school girl. You can specify your prompt to like maybe black school girl. Let's say I'm putting black school girl. I did not put age or anything. Click enter. That is your search. You click on search. Look, it will come up now. You will see it. That is how it works. There is no big deal with I think I'm having network glitch. See, my network is disturbing. Okay, it's loading now. So it's as simple as that. Now, what's it called? This, are you seeing that there are a lot of pictures? So you now pick the picture that you want. It's free. Just click down and you download. Pick the pictures that suit with what you are doing. The video you want to create, whatever content you are trying to create, just pick the picture and then create your thing and go. It's as simple as that. Pexels is one of like the easiest website to navigate. Free black school girls photos. So you look for the picture until you see the one you want. Now if you click on let's say we click on this particular picture here, it will open big. This is the person that posted it. Mary Taylor was the person that posted it. Now when you scroll down, they will show you similar pictures posted by Mary Taylor or other creators on this particular pixel. So this is just how pixel work. There is no, it's not a big deal. Do you understand? So just take your time and go and then search for anything. It's not, Pexels doesn't have artificial intelligence. There is no AI on Pexels. It doesn't create images for you. The images are already there. They are free stock photos. It means they are free photos. Okay?